Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
We have long-term vision plan for Goan football, restructuring of Goan professional league, restructuring youth league, grassroots specific development, transforming women football from grassroots level youth to senior to competition level. Infrastructure we want to develop is relaying artificial turf in Duler Stadium by July 2023. Roof over north stand, development of land on the east and south stand into states of art revenue generation project. Impress upon the government to allot at least 2 ground in south and north. Engaging with the government to get a grant. Website we have to implement. Then creation of portal for live update about what is happening about football.